Hi there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. How do we form the right affirmations? How do we create a set of powerful positive suggestions that can really help us reprogram our subconscious mind and allow us to break past limiting beliefs? So clearly, I have partly answered the question. Affirmations number one are meant to break past limiting beliefs. So, let us not take ready-made statements we find on the internet. Let us follow an important exercise of first putting down our major beliefs. Now, once you write down your beliefs, try to think of the opposite of that belief. And once you have written down the positive reverse of your current existing limiting beliefs, try not to take more than 5 at a time, and now start to repeat these affirmations or even write them down. Second point I would like to mention, don't overdo the suggestions. For example, you go to a restaurant and you place an order for a soup. You place your order once. However, placing your order 10-15 times doesn't help. In fact, everybody around will begin to wonder, what is wrong with you? Why aren't you patient enough? That's exactly how the universe reacts. So whenever you are working on your life, your goals, and using affirmations, it's always a good idea to keep a fixed time in the day when you will be using them or writing them. For example, a great way to do affirmations is to look into your own eyes, into the mirror, and as you are looking into your own eyes, you can simply try to connect with your own self and repeat the affirmation. How many times? 11 to 21 times. Now, if I can do this at least 3 times a day, I will not only connect with my subconscious mind through the mirror, but I will also be able to reprogram it without force, without trying too hard. The second way we can use affirmations is by simply verbally chanting them like a mantra. Again, we don't overdo it. We try to divide using these affirmations between 2 to 3 times a day. And whenever we have any free time, yes, as we notice there are some negative thoughts coming, let us immediately think of the reverse opposite of that. The third way we can use affirmations is by writing them down. How many times? Well, typically writing them between 30 to 50 times in a day is good enough. The key, however, to using affirmations successfully to get results in life is to use them with consistency. No point in doing something for 3 days and then not doing it for 3 months. Affirmations will require 1, consistency, 2, patience. You cannot do so much in one day that you are left exhausted the next day. Let us make positive statements a way of our lives. However, choose the right ones for yourself. Only then will you be able to connect with your subconscious mind and even bring about the results that you desire. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's lots more coming up on this channel. Have a great day. Namaste.